Yeah, she's smoking a bit. Oh, a little backfire there. But, fact of the matter is, dang thing's running consistently. Yeah, PV Blaster works on the wheels.
What?
On the wheels, making sure things are free, and so I can clean up the linkage from the carburetor. But, obviously I got vacuum leaks, a whole mess of other problems. But, the danged old thing does run. Not running well. Yeah, really not running well. But for sitting for a decade. Yeah, the bumper stickers on these things. That one was an original, but I had a vinyl reproduction of it made. I always try and find a bumper sticker for the year that the car was made.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Like, yeah, the Lincoln in there's got a 64 Berry Goldwater for President bumper sticker.
Where do you get those?
You find them on eBay, then I send them out to a guy. He makes me a copy of them in vinyl. That's an original 64 on there, but... Whew, man, that just shot a cloud of smoke out. But that's exactly the point of letting it run like this. I got flamethrowers. Cool. But yeah, that's the point of letting it run like this for a while.
What is it to get all that? What do you mean?
All that crud out of it, let her clean up a little. Yeah, that is fascinating. Yeah, you can barely see it on the film, but yep, she's shooting flames. Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
It's got a reddish tint to it.
Rust. I'm sure the exhaust system on this thing is shot.
It's rust, right?
Yeah. Whew. God, is that something else. But she's running on her own. Well, sort of. Gasoline can life support. But gas can life support, but what more do you want? Registration shows it was last valid in 2012, but it was parked before that. Still, interesting to see this old thing run. Oh, this is, I started working on it Monday. And yeah, here we are Thursday, and she's now running under her own power. Not too bad for a couple afternoons.